Hello friends, welcome back to another day of Mr. Bradford's word study. I am so excited for today as we are going to be learning about two new vowel teams, IE and IGH. Some notes that I should mention. One, you're going to need pencil and paper again, so make sure you have pencil and paper handy. Also, I want you to be all in. I want you to be, I want you to participate. I also want you to grow your brain during this time. If you don't have pencil and paper, I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to go ahead and get some before we get started. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, let's go ahead and jump into our word study for today. All right, so as I stated, we're going to be focusing on the vowel teams IE and IGH. So as we did yesterday, we're going to practice our vowel team sounds, and then we'll move into segmenting, and then last we'll do spelling. So our chart looks different from yesterday, and that's because I had to put a chart in that had the vowel teams IE and IGH so that we can practice our vowel sounds. So in practicing our vowel sounds, I'm going to go first, and then it'll be your turn. So when you hear me say your turn, you'll say the vowel team exactly how I said it. All right, my turn first. I-E, piece E. Your turn. My turn. I-E, piece E. Your turn. All right, let's move down to IGH. IGH is different from other vowel teams because it has 3 letters. Well, it's different from most of the other vowel teams because it has 3 letters. And IGH altogether makes the I sound. So my turn first. IGH, light I. Your turn. My turn. IGH, light I. Your turn. Good job. So as I stated, we're going to be practicing these two vowel teams, IE and IGH. IE makes the E sound, and then IGH makes the I sound. I want you to remember that as we are practicing these vowel teams, IE and IGH. We're going to jump into segmenting or tapping our words. And when we tap our words, as we stated yesterday, we are going to put our duke up. So when you hear Mr. Bradford say duke up, that means you put your duke up, and we'll tap out words and tap out individual sounds with our fingers, and then we'll glide through the word. And then after that, I'll ask you what the word is. So we'll tap it out 3 times, and on the 4th time, I'll tap it out with you, and then we'll glide through the word. Capiche? All right, let's go ahead and jump into segmenting. All right. Dukes up. Remember, IE makes what sound? Yes, it makes the E sound. So let's go ahead and tap it out. Go. Again. One more time. All together. Field. Glide through it. Field. Go ahead and whisper in your hand. What is that word? Yep, if you said field, kiss your brain. That word is field. So if we used it in a sentence, I would say, I play football on the field. Let's move on to the next word. What sound does IGH make? Yes, it makes the I sound. Let's go ahead and tap out this word. Your turn first. Dukes up. Get ready. Go. Again. One more time. All together. Tight. Glide through it. Tight. What's that word? Yep, that word is tight. So if I use the word tight in a sentence, I would say, I have a tight knot in my shoestring. So I have a tight knot in my shoestring. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next word. IE makes what sound? Yes, it makes the E sound. Let's go ahead and tap out that word. Get ready. Don't forget, CH is a digraph, and it makes the ch sound. All right, tap it. Again. One more time. All together. Glide through it. Chief. I'm sorry, Mr. Bradford didn't tap out with you on that last time, but that word is... Yes, that word is chief. So chief is like the head person of a group, or it could be a head person at a job. So for instance, if this is our word study group, and if I am the chief of the word study group, that means I am the head, or I am the person in charge of the word study group. Let's move on to the next word. IGH makes what sound? Yes, it makes the I sound. Go ahead and tap it. Get ready. Dukes up. Go. Again. One more time. All together. Flight. Glide through it. Flight. That word is. Yep, that word is flight. So we take flights on airplanes. That means we're taking the flight, or we get on the airplane and we're going somewhere. All right. Now we're done with tapping out words. We're going to move into spelling. So you're going to need your pencil and your paper for this. We're going to tap. We're not going to tap. We're going to spell 4 words. So number your paper 1, 2, 3, 4. And also, when we spell words, we 1, listen to the word. 2, we say the sounds that we hear in the word slowly. And then 3, we spell the word. It is okay if you don't spell the word correctly. Oh, well, maybe next time. It's all about trying and showing persistence. So I'm going to say the word, and then you're going to spell the word. You will have 10 seconds, and then I will show the word on the screen. The first word, or number 1, is brief. I had a brief meeting with Mr. Howe. Brief means a short period of time. So I had a short meeting with Mr. Howe. Or I had a brief meeting with Mr. Howe. Brief. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pencils down. All right, I'm going to show the word. If you spelled your word B-R-I-E-F, kiss your brain. We use the vowel team I-E in the word brief, and I-E makes the E sound. B-R-I-E-F, brief. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next word. Remember, say the word to yourself, say the sound slowly, write the word. The next word is write. Not like you're writing with a pencil, but it's like the direction. When I come out the house, I go right. Right is the opposite of left. So I go right. Right. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pencils down. All right, I'm going to show the word right. So right, we will use the vowel team IGH because IGH makes the I sound. So right is spelled R-I-G-H-T. I want to spell it again. R-I-G-H-T. If you spell right exactly how I spelled my the word right, go ahead and kiss your brain. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next word. And the next word is might. I noticed something about that word. It rhymes with the word right. So the word is might. 10 seconds. Oh, well, I need to use it in a sentence. I used all my might to open the can of pickles. Might. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pencils down. All right. So this is how we spell the word might. When I listen to the word might, I noticed that it rhymed with the word right. So that made me think about, I know that I hear the IGH or the I sound, so I need to use IGH. So this is how you spell the word might. M-I-G-H-T. Might. If you spelled your word as the same as I spelled it, go ahead and give yourself 1 pat on the back. All right, and our last word, friends, for today is yield. Yield. I had to yield at the yellow light. I had to yield at the yellow light. Yield. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pencils down. I noticed that I said yield. So in that instance, I knew that I need to use the vowel team IE. So to spell yield, you would need the vowel team IE. Y-I-E-L-D. Yield. If you spelled your word like mine, go ahead and kiss your brain. All right, friends, that's all I have for you today. I want you to tally up how many words you spell correctly, and I want you to write it at the top of your paper. And then I want you to take a picture of it, and I want you to tag Kip Kirkpatrick, and I want you to tag us in saying that you did your spelling with Mr. Bradford. I hope you all have a great rest of the day, and I look forward to working with you tomorrow. See you later.